Aleem.
Bro, it went up my nose.
Hurry up, let's go.
Okay, Akib, why don't you go and show them Geneva? I mean, look how beautiful it is. I will be literally like 5-10 minutes. Right, go on, off you go.
Alright, I'll see you later.
Can we put the do not disturb sign on? Apparently it's really cold in England right now.
Snowing?
Yeah. But it is beautiful, isn't it? Aki, what do you think of the city?
Beautiful.
We are going to be heading over to the Geneva International Motor Show. We're going to check out all the latest cars, and we've been invited by a few manufacturers as well. We're going to go have a look at primarily the cars that I've actually bought. I actually haven't seen the Lamborghini Urus yet. I haven't seen the Performante Spider yet. I haven't seen the new G-Wagon in person yet. Alfie!
Is he coming?
There he is. Hey guys, so this is Alfie. Alfie, would you like to introduce yourself?
My name's Alfred Best, on birth certificate, but it's, you know, Alfie for short.
Zampa, introduce yourself.
My name is Armando Zamparini. I'm from Italy, but you can call me Zampa.
Yeah,
He's obviously learning English now.
Is he?
Guys, he was practicing that all night last night.
Zampa, you talk? Let's go.
Your seat for you, Aleem. Saved it. You put that perfectly. Hey boss, you put this in for him? You knew he was coming? You knew
This
he was coming, yeah?
This seat is for me?
This seat, you know, it's his baby.
No, you are very nice. I'm sorry. If you want, I take it.
No.
Please, please.
No.
I take it.
Okay.
Oh,
I take
thank
it. You are very
Are you
nice.
sure he needs it?
No.
I don't think he
I'm
wants
sorry.
it to go.
No, you're not sorry.
It's fine.
Oh. I made him feel bad.
What do you mean,
It was like, communication is not, they don't, he'll take the word exactly how
He
you say
doesn't
it.
get gypsy
Thank you so much.
You are very nice.
Thank you.
We like the car seat.
Alfie, you know conjoined twins, right?
Oh my god.
Do you
Again,
think-
why?
Yeah, because
Why
I
is it
wanna
with
know,
you?
do conjoined twins have one passport or do they have two?
What difference does it make? They're gonna go. They can't go
Do
without
they
each
have
other.
separate names or do they have one?
I haven't got a clue. It's a good question. That's far beyond my knowledge. A lot beyond whatever I'd ever known.
I'm gonna have to Google this.
Yeah, come on. I want to know now. You've asked it 3 times. Why?
Traveling to a new country with friends on holiday is also not as straightforward for conjoined twins. They have 2 passports, but one ticket, as they only take up 1 seat on the aeroplane, so you get 2 for the price of 1.
Hey, how much did 6 chicken nuggets cost?
No, not 6, 10.
Right,
£40.
£40 for 10 chicken nuggets.
£15 for a portion of fries. Like,
Yeah, £40 for a pizza. In Italy it costs like 10 euros less.
What?
That's what you get for wearing a turtleneck, yeah? Remember?
I should have learned from last time.
No, he said to you, it's summer.
No, in here it's summer. It's very hot. So guys, we're going to check out the Urus now. This is one of the two Uruses here. It's finished in obviously a yellow. It's got the 23-inch wheels that are not offered on the options list at the moment. However, I think they do look much better. The Urus that I've ordered has those wheels. I'll show you them in a bit. Other than that, have a look at this. It's got ample legroom. Have a look at it. I feel there's a lot of headroom.
Is there a lot of legroom?
Yeah, there's a lot of legroom. I've got good head space as well. I love the finish on it as well. It's all very clean cut. The angles, you can see very Audi. It's Audi.
Alfie, what do you reckon?
It's a beautiful Jeep, one of the most beautiful Jeeps I've ever seen.
Come and have a look at the. Come and have a look at the. Hey, buddy. You gonna wave to the. We've just made friends in a Urus now. So we have the carbon fibre finish on this with the Alcantara split. It's obviously contrasted with the yellow stitching. I've gone for a black with a red interior. I love the finishing so far. It feels very. If you jump in from the driving seat.
This or the Bentayga?
This, 100%. What about, you know what car you can compare that's good for the money as well? A Range Rover SVR.
I think these are 10 of a Range Rover SVR, personally.
Yeah. What, look-wise?
Oh, in every fashion.
But you haven't even driven it yet.
No, I wouldn't need to.
What's that? You'd rather have an SVR?
No, you'd rather have this?
I'd rather have
Oh
this.
yeah, it's not in the same bracket.
I have driven SVRs. I've been in SVRs. I can just feel by sitting in this car.
Wow.
It's better than an
That's a
SVR.
statement. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Alfie Bester said that Lamborghini build cars that make you feel fast without even moving.
What's the price difference?
About
About an SVR.
about another 100. Yeah, about 2 SVRs.
So that just speaks for itself, doesn't it?
It is a fully functioning SUV. Look, you could get 2 large suitcases in the back there. You get your golf clubs, whatever, and it's fast. Let me show you the other Urus over there. I want to show you the wheels in particular, because these are the wheels that I've ordered, but I think they could have done a bit of a better job with this. I'm sure there's going to be aftermarket manufacturers out there.
I think these wheels are better, you know.
You think?
Yeah.
Those wheels. I like those wheels.
Tim,
Yeah.
you haven't even mentioned the Aventador S.
Another car that I have ordered is an Aventador S Roadster. This is the coupe. It's a very highly spec coupe that they've got here at the moment. It's finished in a Rosso Festo red, which is like a deep pearly red, as you can see. It's got the carbon fibre roof on top. A huge option.
Is that what you're going for?
No. You're mad.
What's your spec?
My spec's triple black with yellow contrasting stitching, yellow calipers. Can you not? Oh, it does give the. I mean, okay, to the untrained eye, it can from a distance you could think it's a Roadster because of the black finish, but I think it's a lot of detail.
What?
But the Aventador is a lot of value for money. For example, like for 300k, you get like that hypercar kind of feel from this car, right? So it's only right that when people spec these cars up that they should put some more respect on the car.
You know, for people who don't know,
Yeah.
including me,
Yeah.
what's the difference between the Aventador and the Aventador S?
Okay, so the Aventador S is like an update along the Aventador family line. So when the Aventador first came out in 2012, or was it 11? Obviously that was the first Aventador version that Lamborghini presented. And then into last year, they pulled out the Aventador S coupe.
But is it just facelift lights and stuff?
No, it now has 4-wheel steering. So
Oh no.
the back wheels turn a little bit as well, just like the
really?
Porsches. It's obviously had a little bit of an upgrade towards the engine side of things, but mostly the visuals, the aesthetics of the car. As you can see the front bumper.
The lights are different as well, right? The LEDs are way different.
No, they're not. I'm sure a bit.
These are the same lights?
Yes.
Check it right now, let's go.
It's the same lights. Then you have like the front split. You also have the scoops. Standard. Obviously, the top like the SV. I feel like it's like in between an Aventador and an Aventador SV. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm definitely excited for that. Would you like to introduce yourself? This is
Sebastian.
From Lamborghini Geneva. So we met on my first day here when I was having a quick look around, and he's been very kind enough to show me around. So yeah, I wanted to ask you more about the car. For example, at the Salon, do those cars take later to deliver now? They're like, you can't get a first car.
For the moment, you can't have hard personal. You're gonna have the hard personal options later after the pre-series and the
what is this? What's different on the spec on this? Is this a higher spec car or?
It's the same as the grey one. Sorry?
How come you've got this one in this room?
That's a good question.
I think it has a way of demonstrating, you know, how people could experiment with their specs. This is a high spec car. Has this got the good thing? Maybe. Let's try it.
Sei impegnato? Volevano vedere l'opera, ma non c'è
Okay, well,
it doesn't exist. It doesn't
I didn't
exist.
have that on my car either because.
Well, how much
I
is
just
it?
thought it would be like.
Oh,
just walked.
No. No. That was the sensible accurate.
Ok, aspetta fuori.
how much is the extra?
It's broken already. Maybe the battery's gone flat.
Yeah, maybe.
Trickle charger. Okay, let's pretend that never happened. I promise you. Oh, wow. My blades are a lot more.
Oh, these leathers are nice.
Yeah, the battery's dead.
Yeah, the
Because the seats are not moving as well. I went for an Alcantara steering wheel. This is a very nice way. If you have a look in here, it has a piano finish down the centre. I like it. As you can see, guys, this one's got the roof rails on it, so you know.
So you can carry your bike.
Your bike, yeah, or your ski, you know, your ski rack or something. That's what people do. You know what? Saying that, I might just even do that for the look.
Geneva.
Ski rack on the top
Road trip
in a
to
camo
Geneva.
finish. I want to see Sebastian. Sebastian.
Yeah.
My car hasn't got roof rails. Can I have these put on after?
Yeah, I think so.
I think
I can't guarantee it, but I think so.
Maybe.
Because it's not.
Do you think a ski rack, not a ski rack, like a big one of those kind of storage ones on top would look really cool?
Picking up the pieces, you're picking up the pieces.
Look at that. That looks freaking nice. It's a very striking colour, especially with that yellow on the finishing. Hey, jump in the passenger seat. Let's have a look at that. I mean, the Huracan's always been a bit of a problem for me because I'm a little bit taller.
Your head is over this window.
Oh yeah, I didn't even take that.
Can you see where you're going?
Yeah. It is a very, very open cockpit for me.
Look how many people are here.
A lot of people. I mean, look, at the end of the day, Lamborghinis are that kind of car that just, even if you don't appreciate or like cars, it will take your...
Okay, listen, what's all this about?
This is composite carbon, forged carbon.
And what's the difference between that and carbon
So I
fibre?
think it's layered in a way. It's obviously got a different finish to it.
And that's patented.
I will double check that.
Yes, that's the own recipe of Lamborghini.
Exactly, that's why they have it.
Exactly, the
They're branded it, yeah, exactly. Just like the aerodynamics on the car. It's very interesting because the aerodynamics on the Huracan Performante AV.
Oh, do you mean the
Yeah. What's the aerodynamics of that?
So the name is Aerodynamica Lamborghini. There is two systems in the car. So the first one is here. So one part of the air gonna cool the engine. The other part's gonna go into the spoiler. And besides the spoiler, you have some small holes. Okay. So the thing is, when you are accelerating, the holes are open, and then when you are braking, the holes are closed
in the spoiler.
In the spoiler, and the thing is gonna increase the downforce when you are braking.
Yes, but Sebastian, when the air goes into the spoiler, where does it leave from?
Here, all the small holes. So here, so when you're accelerating, it's open, and when you're braking, it's closed. And it brings downforce. The same thing here. Here, you also so when you are accelerating, it's open, and when you are braking, it's closed. Wow. And the same thing, downforce. And for example, if you are cornering on the right side will be closed, and the left side will be open. And like you're cornering faster.
That's what you call advancing, moving forward. That is some real engineering there. I can't wait to see how the car handles. It'll be interesting to see how long I actually live with this car because
Aleem,
I do like my comfort.
This is actually my favorite sounding car.
I totally agree. I totally agree. It definitely is one of the nicest sounding cars. Obviously, we can't demonstrate that right here because we're in the...
Right, listen, we got a lot of cars to go see.
We got a lot of cars to go, so you know, we're going to catch you soon. We're going to see you in September.
We're going to see you in September.
He's absolutely awesome. Sebastian, thank you so much for showing us around the cars. I'm sure everyone else appreciates it as well. It's a fun brand with some cool cars and even better people working for them as well. So I want to say a big thank you, and hopefully I'll see you around in London or maybe Switzerland again. My man, God bless. Take it easy. We're going to bounce. Let's go.
Picking up the pieces, picking up the pieces, I'm picking up the pieces, picking up the pieces, I'm picking up the pieces, picking up the pieces, I'm picking up the pieces, picking up the pieces.
So guys, there's no guesses at what stand we're at right now. The Bugatti sign behind us. The car that has on display at the moment is the Chiron Sport. So obviously the Chiron is a very fast car. It is also a full-fledged luxury hypercar. This is their sporty touch that they've done to it. It's still very plush and luxurious. We're going to check it out. There's just some people having a look around the car at the moment. So as soon as they've disappeared, we can head on over and have a look at it. I think that very model, the way it's configured right now, would sit perfectly in the HQ.
Outside the showroom.
So it's got pretty much a full carbon fibre body. The main part of it is carbon fibre. If you go close to it, you'll see the wheels have like holes, like they've got cutouts in them. So the wheels are like lighter, obviously, I get it. Okay guys, so a lot of people ask me, why are these cars like, you know, 2.5 million pounds? Are they worth the money that you pay, the price that you pay for them? Well, let me just talk you through it. First and foremost, this car is very comfortable, right? You can drive it, you can grand tour around the world, around Europe, wherever you want, and you have so much power at the end of your front. And at the same time, you're bathing in luxury. Look at the attention to detail. Look at the way that they have crafted this car. Nothing compares to it. Do you not look at that car and think, wow, that's what I want? Like, surely you can park that next to pretty much anything. You can't deny the fact that that is a mind-blowing car.
Is this TBE though?
No, because they will always improve on the cars.
Oh, okay.
Like, I bet you people back in the day thought the Lamborghini Countach was the best ever at that time, yes. Every dog has its day.
So do you think that one day that this will be like surpassed?
Well, we don't know what the future holds. Like, listen, we did not think.
Hold on.
People did not imagine cars like this back then. You did not think that you could do 0 to 60 in what, 2.5 seconds. I'm just looking at it right now. I want to take it home. I want that exact spec.
Really?
Look at the exhaust on the back as well. They're different. On the other one, it's two. You know, like they shape like that.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Maybe it sounds different as well. Look at the engine, mate. A W16 engine.
All carbon.
More litres than you can drink in a day. You know what's interesting? Look at the way the caliper is sitting on the rear wheel. Have you ever seen a caliper sit like that, like towards the top? Was that just me?
What's the science behind that?
I don't know.
That's interesting.
Imagine the braking power that is required to slow this car down. You can see that the brake disc, the gap between the brake disc and the alloy is so small. It's huge. Just video him opening up. So basically, like, these guys treat their cars like jewelry over here. Trust me, you're going to be seeing me do rounders down Ladypool Road, bro, in a Chiron. He's got to put his gloves on, all of that. Go on, film it. There's not many cars.
Wow.
Okay, now I can say that this is like a 3 million car. This is hands down the most beautiful car I have ever seen in my life.
Wow.
I want this.
What's the price bracket of this?
Hey, I don't even know because I've never my brain isn't veered that way. But
So what? This or a
look
Chiron?
at the carbon fiber, bro. Are you having a laugh with me? Are you joking?
This or a Chiron?
This 100%.
Wow.
In a roadster version as well. Wow. Akim, come on. That is art. Look at the wheels. The carbon fiber all over the whole body. This is jewellery. Look, they're anodized. I know. Wow.
Oh, behave.
What do you mean? You like that finish?
Yeah.
Okay, that is nice. Obviously, I'll take it. I'll even take it in primer.
Listen. I'll take it in anything.
Let's have a look at the president's car.
President of?
Pagani.
What do you mean president?
President of a company,
The
man.
CEO?
Yeah, look how he's had his, look how he's had the sides done. Oh, look how that is the most beautiful interior. That interior is even more beautiful. Hey, come on. This guy sure knows how to make a good car. Bro, this is a dream in one. I'm in love. I am in love. What the hell is going on here? I'm in love.
Aleem?
Lost for it. That is one of the most incredible cars, not one of, the most incredible car I have ever seen. And what's so funny is that this is the Pagani Zonda, right? And that is the Huayra, or however it pronounce that. And this interior still doesn't update it. It's a timeless car. I'm just lost for words. Bro, that is the finish, the design, everything. You're telling me, you know when you asked the question earlier, do you think that, you know, the Chiron will look dated? I think the Bugatti will want to start to be a bit, starting to be a feel a bit dated for me. The base model.
What?
It's still a stunning car. Like, you won't understand, like, the lights.
I think you're getting lost in the sauce in Pagani, mate.
No. This car, in 50 years, will still be sitting at 40.
That's sweet.
Yeah. So whilst we was walking past these Vianos, these V-classes attracted my attention, and this is exactly why.
It's approximately 200,000
Just for the conversion. Oh, you get the car with it. So like a price of a Rolls-Royce. Wow. And you're telling me that if you had this, I can come have a sit in it. Look at the. I want one.
I want to sit on that side.
Huh?
I want to sit on that side.
So this conversion, complete the same as this. You're saying is 200, and with the car it's 250. And because it makes the car heavier, how does it affect the performance, the drive?
Yeah, of course, it's approximately 600 kilogram.
Extra.
This type of conversion. But of course, it depends on this car can weigh more than 3 tons.
Wow.
Because of the 600 kilogram, it's not so much.
It's not much. That's what? That's half your weight.
PlayStation.
PlayStation?
Yeah, here, down.
Wow. Oh,
Where?
is this carbon fiber here?
Yeah, this is carbon fiber, but obviously because of the show, some people come in and now they have covered it with PPF.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
The whole thing is carbon. Look.
Yes, this is what you're not seeing, the attention to detail. Look at the center here. This is the same as the Mercedes-Benz, right? Look, they've uniformed it the whole way through.
Wow. How long does one of these conversions take?
This is a coffee machine.
Yeah, it's approximately 2.5 months.
Oh, is that you in the video?
Yes, yes.
Oh, wow.
Oh, and it's great for people with mobility problems as well.
Yeah, of course.
My grandma, she can't walk, so I think this will be fantastic for her.
Of course.
Okay, because he's got a Viano already. Is it possible that he just gives you the car and you do a conversion like that?
Of course, possible.
And we can maybe like adjust it a little bit so I can have it at like a different, if my budget was.
Of course, we have options list. You make selection from there, and then we can create for you quotation.
How does this screen go down if I want to speak to the driver?
You have intercom system. If you push intercom, now the driver can hear us. But if you want to see the road also, just you push down button.
You know what? I hope, Dad, if you're watching this, right, which I'm sure you are, I promise you not, This is the most luxurious car I've ever been in, and I will happily sit here and say I would rather have this over a Rolls-Royce Ghost.
Would you sell your Wraith?
No, that's too far. Ghost, definitely.
Yeah.
I mean, look, the luxury that you're getting for the money. Look at the finish on the carbon fiber. Look at the leather, the stitching. It is like as if it came. It's better than manufacturing. It looks like it's phenomenal. And these open up with like, is it curtains?
Yeah.
Everything's through this.
Let's have a look.
Yeah, as you see.
Oh wow.
Is there any ventilation in there if I wanted to open the windows?
Yeah, these side windows are open. Can be open.
Okay, nice. Like the small amount that they always do.
Yeah. Also, you have air conditioning system.
Yeah.
And there is still enough space for a suitcase to go in the back.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
where does the conversion take place? Is it
Istanbul?
Istanbul? Oh,
Yes.
you really?
I could already guess that he was Turkish.
Are you Turkish?
Yes.
You know what I like as well? That it looks like it's very easy to maintain. Where, like for example, there's no leather here, there's carbon fiber.
Yeah.
If you always get, after maybe 4 or 5 years, it will start to wear out. You know, it's very thought through where everything is. Look, there's not much wear. The carbon fiber, if you want to wipe this down, you can just wipe it down, easily cleanable.
Yeah, of course, of course.
Everything's thought through.
Yeah.
And I love this kind of panel because it kind of gives it like
Daylight.
Yeah.
Excellent. What is this?
Umbrella. Rolls-Royce.
See, this is what I mean. Rolls-Royce, they did a carbon fiber umbrella, guys. Look at that. Look at the finish on it. That is so beautiful. Can we have a look at this? Let's show me around. There's 2 other examples here. And listen, my viewers are out there. Guys, if you want me to do a conversion on my V-Class, comment below, and I promise you, I am pretty much there. I'm tempted to hit these guys up soon and get a conversion done. Let's have a look at these. A similar setup here as well. This has got like a blue finish. It's got a blue theme. I wouldn't go for this example because I'm very messy as well. So
Let's look at this chrome one.
The chrome one, and on the outside as well, as you can see, the velvet wrap that they have going.
They've done this very tastefully.
Very tasteful.
Is that with the red strip? Hashtag pet.
Hashtag pet.
Black and red.
When you see it, you know that it's going to be special because of the wrap. It's something different, right? This one is not really my taste. However, that interior definitely
that is nice. Starlights.
Okay, let's go. Did you see the shooting star?
Oh no.
Now that is leveled. Could you change the colour of the starlight?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
No.
No! Why can't Rolls-Royce do this? Okay, let's have a look. Lights.
Oh my god. Wow. No. Game changer.
Hashtag missed. You know, if you're on a driving ban, this is the perfect car to buy.
Oh, you can change it like that. Well, adjust it.
If you run your finger, how I know that this is a really good fibre optic starlight ceiling is if you rub your finger over it.
It's not over. It's flush.
Yeah, it's flush.
Wow, I love it.
I'm not confused on what colour caliper to get next to the next new car. All the colours in the world that Brembo do. Brembo are very famous for their brakes. They provide the industry with some of the best.
What manufacturers use the Brembo? Come on, man.
Lamborghini.
No, they don't. No, they don't.
So who do you think does?
Porsche.
Yes, they do. Oh yeah, because you saw it over here. Aston Martin.
Renault Megane Sports.
Alfa Romeo. Porsche Carrera Turbo. I mean, look, listen. If a 911 Turbo can have these brakes, they must be, well, they are good.
I had a Megane Sport with Brembo brakes, mate.
Oh, you did? I had a 911. Alfie Best loves the Subaru.
Aleem? What the hell?
Just when you think there wasn't enough cars on display, lo and behold. Musty!
Where?
Okay, you saw the previous Vianos that we just went and saw, the V-classes? Yeah?
Yeah.
Now, should we quickly have a look at Classen before we head over to Rolls-Royce?
Who are Classen? I don't know.
Let me show you, man. You know those Instagram posts you see of V-classes Vianos?
Yeah.
Like, that look super luxurious inside.
Oh, wow.
That's Classen. Classen are like, they're really good. Like, they might be, I don't know, let's check them out. I think they might even be better.
Oh, you snake.
Yeah, I'm gonna say Classen. Look, I'm team Classen right now.
You little snake.
I've come all the way from England. So, see guys, to get on the stand, you've got to have a, you've got to be a somebody apparently. Yeah, am I allowed in now? I'm verified. See, everyone that says I need a verification tick.
Thank you.
A lot cleaner in finish. Friend from Birmingham, Musty, he loves Classen. He loves you guys, so he told me to come here and check you guys out because we always see your posters. Is this Drake should buy this? You know when he says he's running presidential? Look at that.
We can't go in, sorry.
No, you can't go in.
That's where it's sold to the president, so...
Oh, it's the president's car. What was the other company called?
He knows VIP, what they call?
Yeah, they are good, you know. Hakim, you know what? I think the other company was better. Thank you very much for your time. It's an autonomous cab. It's a self-driving cab. So as you can see, they've got sensors on the outside that spin around so fast, picking up what's around it. Yeah, and it will drive you to destination without a driver in it.
This is the Uber.
It's on trial in Korea, I think.
Uber is the future.
Okay, guys, so we're now at the Rolls-Royce stand. I'm very excited to see the Phantom 8. It's the first time I'm actually seeing it in person myself. So yeah, let's see if our name's on the list. Okay, guys, so we're now at the Rolls-Royce stand. As you can see behind me is the Rolls-Royce Phantom 8. Now, on first look, on first impressions of it, you can tell it's going to have a lot of road presence. The panels are a lot more curvier, the lines flow a lot more. It seems to be like a bigger car. This is actually a factory finished satin grey, which I really like. You can imagine it's a Rolls-Royce. It's got all the things that you would want a Rolls-Royce to have. This is actually the short wheelbase version. The purple one over there is the long wheelbase version.
Let me ask you something. Huh? How long was the Phantom in production for before this one?
How long?
Yeah, because the Phantom came out in...
This Phantom came out in 2003.
Okay.
Right, so this it lasted, 10 years? No.
15 years.
15 years. I'm going to show you something else in the face as well. So I want to have a look at primarily the long wheelbase version. This is about 400 grand, 450k. I love the contrast in the boat and the size. It's got these new techniques. It's got the brightest light in the game. You can see the front, the grille is a bit more updated. It's a bit more curvier from here. All in all, I want to have a look at this purple. Check out just the size of the door. Just that. That is, just appreciate the door. Look at the size of the door panel.
Oh, they're taking the umbrellas out.
No, they haven't. They would never do that.
They have.
Oh yeah, they have to, in case someone enters.
Go on, get inside.
This is contrasted with the...
Nice colour combo, right?
What's this thing?
Salon International de Automobile Geneva. Oh, it's made for Geneva.
Yeah, phenomenal spec. And this leather is a very white leather. I wouldn't expect mine up anything like that if I haven't ordered one. But this is the edition one?
Yeah, edition one, so it's the package. You have 4 colors.
No, I'm going to go gloss black. This one, yeah, this
so take the normal G63 and the new one.
Yeah.
Edition one is Just as that.
Zampa, what are you saying, bro?
So hot, I'm tired, man.
Alfie, you see anything you like?
You know what? I like the new G-Wagon.
Oh.
Listen, you'll see me in one of these when they come out.
So,
Completely different. The whole cabin is completely different.
It's all different.
There's only 3 parts that they carried on from the old car.
Yeah,
The whole car.
exactly. The door handles the same. And the other piece, I don't know, it's the...
Small little pieces.
Yeah.
Look, these LED lights. The car's a lot lighter now as well.
And the engine size is 4 litre, yes?
4 litre.
4 litre.
Yeah, 4 liter, V8, turbo.
It's a lot more smart. Haven't you ever seen it? It's very small.
But to be fair, they don't feel much different, do they?
Well, the whole dashboard is different.
Yes, but that's where I'm sat, you know what I mean? You feel nice,
but they always do that with the G-Wagons. They don't ever drastically change. This is probably the most drastic change they've ever had on this.
Absolutely. Dash is obviously.
100%. So guys, we're on the Mansouri stand at the moment. Mansouri are one of the most craziest, the wildest tuning companies out there. You have to agree. They have some cars on display. They have the Porsche Panamera Turismo, they have a S-Class, they have an Aston Martin, a McLaren, Bugatti, a Rolls-Royces, and they've put their touch onto it.
let me get some shots.
You show them around. Okay guys, so there's a lot of manufacturers here, and the place is huge. This is the last manufacturer we're going to be seeing. It is the Ferrari stand, and it is, to me, a very, very colourful stand. Let's see how it compares to Lamborghini. They have some very special cars here. Most importantly, I wanted to show you guys around the Pista. No, not a peanut. That's what it means. Finally, we have Zampa and Alfie with us for the Ferrari stand. Very ideal that we have an Italian with us. Are you? What do you think of being surrounded by all these beautiful Italian cars? Zampa? I have to say the Italians make some of the most beautiful cars.
Yeah, I love them.
Huh?
You can see the Italians made in Italy.
Yeah. This 488 Spider finished in this blue. This is the same kind of colour that I got from Park Lane Rental in Dubai. I remember it was the first time I drove a 488 Spider, and it was a fun car. I don't know about the sound. They don't sound as throaty as the 458s, but there we have it. This is the Pista, so this is like the speciality of the 488. It has some crazy aerodynamics, similar to the ALA aerodynamics of Lamborghini. You'll see how advanced it is. And even
Alfie, spotted something?
carbon fibre wheels, Alfie.
Are they as good as you've ever seen?
Yeah, well, like, do you know how much they are? Extra.
15 grand. Per wheel?
Per wheel, and if you curb them, I don't know.
Per wheel?
No, not per wheel.
Per wheel.
And as you can see, like, this is finished in like a liquid silver, works very well on the Pista. Lots of carbon fibre, but it does. Oh, it's locked today. It was opened the other day. But yeah, I mean, you can see there's so much carbon fibre on the front over here. You see that? I love this. This is my favourite part of the car.
Oh, the dip.
It's got like this beautiful kind of Tour de France blue stripe running down the middle, sets it off so nicely. This is the first time Ferraris look better in silver than it has in red. this Rover there as well. It hasn't got the carbon fibre. And then we have the 812 Superfast over there, which is Ferrari's most powerful car before the LaFerrari. Obviously, LaFerrari is their flagship hypercar. Wow, now this is a truly stunning car. A Ferrari has to be red. Now, when I sat in an 812 Superfast in my local dealership, what I loved the most about the car was the interior. It is phenomenal. Let me show you.
What do you reckon?
Yeah, I love it.
Very simple, huh?
Yeah, Ferrari, I mean, if you're ever going to buy a supercar, you know, you have to aim for Ferrari's the thing that comes into people's head. It really has that supercar passion.
What's that in the back? Luggage?
Yeah, luggage compartment. You also have the Ferrari luggage, or that's an optional extra. Again, lots of carbon fibre, plush leather interior.
You know what? Ferrari never have like a centre dash and like a screen.
Yeah, no, they don't. They're like a sat nav. It's all the time. So guys, we've had a look around the show, we've seen the G-Wagon, we've seen the Lamborghinis, we've seen some awesome Viano conversions. Alfie, what was your favourite car that you saw?
Uranus, is it?
The Uranus? The Lamborghini?
I wouldn't say it's obviously.
Did he say Uranus?
Did you say?
Well, listen, whatever they've called it, it's the Lamborghini Jeep. Okay?
Yeah.
Just let's leave it at that. That's what I'd take here from today. And
Yeah.
listen, that's just for me personally tomorrow. If you want to start bringing in figures, then we've got to start talking Bugatti Veyrons,
The Chiron's and Lamborghinis.
Zampa, what's your favourite car today?
I agree with Alfie, the Urus was amazing.
Oh yeah.
Now, my favourite car throughout this whole show is between the Huracan Performante Spider and the Pista. I think the Ferrari Pista is definitely, if I could have one of those, if Ferrari were kind enough to sell me one of those, I would have that in a heartbeat. But unfortunately, you've got to build your way up to it, you've got to buy so many of them. So yeah, maybe that's in the story for another time. Guys, it's been amazing. Geneva, you are beautiful. Thank you so much for having us. We've had lots of fun.
Yeah, indeed.
We're gonna
Too much.
We're gonna see you on the other side. Take it easy. God bless. Bye bye.